Shocking. Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. A Jamaican national, I should say a young Jamaican boy, 20-year-old Brandon Swaby, has been arrested by the U.S. Customs Border Protection agent at the Fort Lauderdale Airport, ladies and gentlemen, for allegedly murdering another 22-year-old in Tennessee. In Nashville, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. This is another shocking set of events. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in to the Rastaman channel, hit that red subscribe button. Yeah, so you could be a part of the Rastaman panel. Shocking news, ladies and gentlemen. Wonder why these young men of my nation continue to throw away their lives and throw away other brothers' lives, ladies and gentlemen. It's a shocking, shocking revelation. Nashville, Tennessee. A man was arrested connected with the Tuesday fatal shooting near the entrance of Nashville International Airport Sunday. According to police, Jamaican national Brandon Swaby, 20, was arrested by U.S. Customs and Border Protection agent in Fort Lauderdale Airport. Police say he was trying to flee to Jamaica. Metro Police say that the Nashville arrest warrant charging Swaby with criminal homicide was issued. He will remain in the Broward County, Florida jail until he is returned to Nashville. Ladies and gentlemen, according to the police, 22-year-old Gallatin resident Christopher Brandon McCabe was shot around 5:45 p.m. Tuesday in the evening on Donaldson Peak near the entrance of Nashville International Airport. You see how brazen them ya youth ya? A busy airport. According to the police investigation, McCabe arranged through Facebook Marketplace earlier in the week to trade his BMW sedan for a Dodge Charger. On Tuesday evening, his BMW broke down on Donaldson Peak, and persons in the BMW called McCabe for assistance. Police said McCabe drove to Donaldson Pike in the relative's SUV. A dispute assumed, and McCabe was fatally shot inside the SUV. Police say that after the homicide, Swaby traveled to Atlanta and then that he booked a flight and flew to Fort Lauderdale Sunday, where he was taken into custody by U.S. Customs and Border Protection agent with help of the federal agency. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to know why these young men continue to throw away their lives and take other people with them. This Jamaican boy, 20-year-old young boy, made an arrangement on Facebook with another man to trade their car, swap it out. And now something seems to go wrong with the other vehicle, and they couldn't work it out. They couldn't work it out. Him thing say capping the youth was the solution. Nothing more than him say, boy, I'm have to go give me back my car or give me back whatever compensation. And him never liked what was being told to him. Ladies and gentlemen, there is no solution coming out of a dispute like this that you think that it's going to be solving it. What I realize is young children nowadays don't have the ability to reason things out. They have no problem solving skills. They have no critical thinking. Right now, 2 young men life are gone. Because he's going to be charged. And they're going to try to get the death penalty on his young. Boy, may I tell us the Jamaicans, don't need to think. Especially in foreign country. See, Jackie over there, he might be getting a murder charge. Me no know what wrong with me people. I would like you to leave a comment on this one. See, it's not just Jamaica. Young youths are making critical mistakes with their life. It's all over the world that we go. We are very emotional and impulsive and have no ability to take pressure. You know, it's a pressure bust pipe. And if you're a good person, you can take pressure. I'm telling you, people, there are many ways to solve a lot of these problems that these people are taking each other's lives for. Sometimes you just have to take a loss. Sometimes you have to go through the legal channels, or the legal channels will go through you. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment for me. See if you could help me out. Are the same old issue to me? Are the fatherless, melanated nation? Are the fatherless black people, me should say? Me not hide it. Black families are suffering from a pandemic of no fathers, no logics, just pure emotional beings, man, woman, and children. So at times, you see a grown black man like Will Smith lash out at Chris Rock and walked up on the stage and slap him. Now, this is fame slap to the next youth. Squeeze the trigger. Them don't mess around. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, so go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. I'm talking about 2 life lost again. Careless Jamaican kill a careless American. 2 young black men.
Both of them how you guys doing out there? We having a good time, man. We're right in Fort Lauderdale.
Kill a 22-year-old because them trade vehicle over Facebook and one broke down. That sound like some clown argument, and to tell you the truth, this youth looks just so familiar. Wow. Jamaicans, you need to know what you're doing.